ISO 27001 is a global standard to help the organization implement a information security management system. ISM is a set of policy and procedures which are systematically to design, manage any organization's sensitive data. ISM is a comprehensive process, document, technology, and people that help to manage and monitor and audit and improve the organization information security. ISM has changed your organization culture to security point of view, which preserve the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the information system by apply a risk management process and give the confidence to interested party that risks are adequately managed. Why we need to ISMS? To protect the financial loss to company, to protect damage company reputation, to protect avoid the fines if any breaches happen, to protect the security compliance, and to secure the data security. ISO 27001 is divided into the 10 main sections: scoping, term revisions, leadership, planning, support, operation, and improvement. In scope, ISM scope is a critical. If you start with a fairly small scope, you can then implement ISMS quickly. If you choose some complex scope, it's difficult to comply with it. The choosing the correct scope is direct impact the effort need for compliance. Organization context. You need to understand the kind of product and service company offer. Understand the risk in your organization so that you can actually build your ISMS in right path of your business and protect those processes that really need to be controlled from security point of view. Some internal issue and some external issues. The external issue context, we need to understand what going on outside of the organization and what kind of regulation apply to your business from security point of view and what kind of risk and threat do you face from the outside. In information security policy, once you have understood the scope exactly where in your organization, you would like to start implement your ISMS. The next thing really is ensure that your management full understand your strategy, then the benefit behind us. What your ISMS is trying to achieve and focus on security, but also in commercial benefit that your ISMS can bring. Management approval. Demonstrate to management you can reduce the cost of potential security breaches going forward. They become recognized by their customer as actually taking cybersecurity and information security seriously. The next step is get the management sign off approval and everybody know the drive for top of management. The top to down approach and leadership and commitment. Top management shall be demonstrate leadership and commitment with the respect to information security management system by ensuring the information security policy and information security objective and establish are compatibility with the strategy and direction of the organization. Risk assessment is a process to identify, assess the risk and reduce it to acceptable level, including examining the environment of risk, evaluating each threat, even to likelihood and cost of damage, creating cost-benefit report for safeguard and present to the management. Business should not be accept eliminate all the risks, rather than you should to identify and achieve the acceptable risk for their organization. There are quantity risk analysis and quality risk analysis. Stages of the information security risk management. Identify the asset, identify the vulnerabilities, identify the threats, and identify the control. Once the risk has been assessed and analyzed, the organization will need to select treatment. A risk treatment plan. Risk treatment plan is the mitigation, transfer, risk acceptance, yeah, risk avoidance. Mitigation like implement a firewall and safeguard. Transfer means you have to like insurance. And risk acceptance, it means you have accept the risk. Risk avoid matlab you have avoid the risk. Handling the risk, reduce or mitigate the risk, implement a safeguard to eliminate or vulnerability or block the threat. Risk transfer, placement of the cause of risk to another entity. Risk acceptance consists the decision to live with the risk. Risk avoid, terminate the activity that is introduce the risk. Risk rejection or ignore unacceptable response to risk, reject or ignore the risk. In risk measure, once you have a risk treatment plan together, so you have decided what action you can are going to take. It is not mandated to implement each and every control. You only have to choose relevant control based on the risk assessment you did earlier. Statement of applicability. It means SOA. After identification of security control, you can document all those control. Statement of application. Statement of application say which of those control you are implement. and why. Which control you have to be choose not to implement. If you choose not to implement control, it is very important that you can justify that state why. Management have to sign off written document that which control is not implement is risk acceptance. Resource and support. The organization shall determine and provide the resources need for the establishment and implement and maintain and continue improvement of the information security management system. Internal auditor and external auditor. Internal auditor, your internal auditor is competent to do internal audit. External auditing, your organization can hire third party external auditor like Big Four. We suggest that organization should be hire third party audit because they not biased and no conflict of interest. Management review. Once you have took your time to identify risk, implement controls and also check whether those controls are working and have done your internal audit. The final step is whether the ISM has achieved what you have set out to achieve. To get real benefit from ISMS is not just about the certification. To secure your organization so external parties and customer and supplier trust in your organization. Documentation and communication. The organization shall determine the need for internal and external communication relevant to the information security management system. Awareness training, familiar with the what their role from the security point of view, having a long-term strategy to achieve your objective. Improvement, non-conformity and correction action, NCA. When a non-conformity occurs and react to non-conformity is applicable, take action to control and correct it and deal with the consequence. And continue improvement. The organization shall continue improvement situation adequate and effectiveness of information security management system. Review the non-conformity, determine the cause of non-conformity, implement or any action need to make changes to implement information security management system is necessary. The final step to ISO 2001 is the closure meeting. ISO 2001 is the 14 controls, set of annexure explained. Information security policy 1 and second is organization information security and third is human resource security. Asset management and fifth is access control, cryptography, physical environment security, operation security and communication security and system acquisition and maintenance and supplier relationship and security incident management and business continuity management and compliance.